Welcome back. Well, in 7 days, officially on the calendar, we're going to be entering astrological spring or the spring equinox, but we have spring weather right now. We had it the first 10 days of February, but now we're catching back up once again. And that was spring, not only spring temperatures, but spring storms. And we got some going today. So let's take a look at the big picture and look at the upper level pattern as we take a look at the 700 millibar pattern and the water that's integrated through the atmosphere so we can see these upper level features. And here we have one that's going to be serving up the threat of severe weather next several hours, then weakens and gets caught in the westerly jet stream there. But here comes the next one, diving down south of central California and setting up for big snows across the Sierra Nevada. They're looking at upwards of 4 feet of snow in the higher elevation, winds in excess of 70 miles an hour. Once you get up to 4,000 or 5,000 feet and higher, more big snows across Utah, down through Arizona, through by the Page area, and then up through Flagstaff and the Grand Canyon area. So if you're out that way, some pretty pictures coming your way. Meanwhile, that upper level low continues to produce strong to severe storms, and we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for northwest Louisiana till 11 o'clock tonight. And as we take a look at these storms, they are producing some pretty strong winds. Here we have from Austin all the way through the Rockdale area, Rosebud, and then on up through Palestine, Texas, south and east of Corsicana. This activity continues to push to the east, and the main threat is going to be damaging winds and hail, thus the severe thunderstorm watch instead of a tornado watch. And we have a severe thunderstorm warning going for this cell just southwest of the Palestine area of Texas. That's all going to bypass us off to the north and may graze, say, Alexandria through the overnight hours around midnight or so, but thereafter it should be a quiet night for Acadiana with some clouds coming in for tomorrow morning, and then those clouds burning off, and we get into the lower 80s tomorrow afternoon, so certainly feeling warm. 2 a.m. tomorrow night. I stopped this at this time because that's when the lunar eclipse is going to be occurring tomorrow night. Whether we can see it here in Acadiana, whether we have a few breaks and you get a peek of it is going to be tough to tell, but it doesn't look too good. That eclipse between roughly about 1:26 in the morning and I think 2:30 something in the morning. So you got to stay up late to see it, and then there's going to be cloud cover, so it may not be worth it. We'll see. I'll be out there letting you know just in case. Friday, plenty of clouds, some scattered showers in the forecast, and we're actually hatched in for a marginal risk of an isolated severe storm on Friday, but we don't see a whole lot materializing. Saturday could be a different story. Scattered showers and storms. They're initiating in our area, and then they're going severe into Mississippi and maybe eastern Louisiana. So we'll have to watch the storms because of what the Storm Prediction Center is talking and letting us know. Look at the wide swath of severe weather expected for Friday. An enhanced level 3 out of 5 covering multi-state areas. Acadiana hatched in for the marginal area, but I think all the action stays north of us. And then going into Saturday, it gets a little bit more interesting. Acadiana in the slight risk, and I-10 from Lafayette on north and eastward in an enhanced risk. That's a level 3 out of 5. So we're going to be looking for storms that could produce damaging winds, isolated tornadoes, but I would put the bullseye somewhere here in Mississippi and Alabama, and there could be some big tornadoes with this one. EF2 or stronger. That's 111 mile-an-hour winds or higher. As for rainfall, not expecting a whole lot here locally. We'll get some rain, but the bigger rain's off to the east, so that is not a concern. Temperature-wise tonight, we hold in the 60s across the board. Then tomorrow, upper 70s to lower 80s will factor in, and then again in the 60s again tomorrow night. And as we head into Friday afternoon, we'll be tempered by some of the clouds, upper 70s to lower 80s. 62 the low tonight, some light fog by daybreak. Tomorrow, morning clouds giving way to afternoon sun. It will be breezy and warmer. Southwesterly winds at 10 to 20, so it's going to be a little gusty again in the afternoon. Some scattered showers Friday. I'm really pushing it with a 40% chance, maybe 30% Friday, 70, 80% Saturday. Not everybody sees storms, so it will be windy, that potential severe weather threat, and then cooling off and clearing out for Sunday and beyond. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.